Hey, what's going on guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the video tag. So what video tag does is it gonna give you bidirectional override to text or something like that. So first what we're gonna do is use the p tag, and with the heck p tag, and this is what the heck a this was this something like paragraph, and we'll go left to right. Okay, you can see it's go left to right because it's going left to right. Now you're gonna say, hey, what's the big deal about it? Because now what I'm gonna do is use the p tag again, and inside that we're gonna put this one. Oh, what the heck, C and V. What just happening, man? What's going on? C and V. And then what you need to do is, instead of left, type right, and here type left. And now what you need to do for that, use the video tag which we are talking about. So bidirectional override, and just this by default its direction is RTL, that that basically means right to left, which are doing. So paste it inside there, and then you can see, no, it's not set. This is this paragraph. So if you are reading this, so congratulations, but great, this is the way we can do this kind of thing. So hope you guys understand, and see you guys in the next tutorial.